Alrighty, folks, this is the Hub Call. This is the call where we talk about everything going on in Fresno, California. We look to help you get started. We help to document some stories, and we catch you up on anything I may or may not be doing in the market. We are actually going to start with how people join the call. That's how I'm going to do it from now on. Ty, you were the first to join this morning. How you doing?
Doing great. Great to be here. Happy Monday, everybody.
Hey, so you and I were communicating over the weekend, and you gave me an idea to run a free event on August 13th, which we already have 160 people registered for out of 500. So it's taken off like wildfire. But why don't we just talk about what we're trying to do there, why we're trying to help people get started and all of that.
Yeah, so it's exciting that, Michael has such great resources and knowledge, and not only that, but the ability to really share, and again, I think from a practical standpoint of, from one rental to two rentals to three to four, and kind of the idea of growing a portfolio. And so, Michael and I have just been talking, how can we reach out, build a bigger community, have more impact in the community? And so just super excited. That was one of the things is like, okay, how about more free events? How about even live events? And then we were like, well, why not just do Zoom? Like it's just bigger, faster, and you reach more people. So thank you, Michael, dude, for all that you share and you give. So I'm super excited for August the 13th.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. It's funny. It actually I was taking our conversation with the event that Matt and I were at. Matt came down to the Bay Area last week, attended one of my speaking engagements. And Matt, it was really a couple of the topics because it was really just live Q&A. And people basically kept asking me, how would you do it today? Could you do it? All of those things. So I'm like, well, I'm just going to take this experience with Matt, with what Ty's pushing me to do. And we're going to do a 2-hour session about how I would do it today.
I love it. Yeah. I mean, because that's the thing too, is, generally speaking, you talk to a lot of investors. I talk to a lot of investors. Ty talks to a lot of investors. It's, analysis paralysis 9 out of 10 times. And, if you give them just a little bit of tactical, just enough to get started, I think, people later on in their investing journey that have taken 10 steps realize like step 1 was the hardest one. So I think you're going to have a lot of impact to help a lot of people with just, holding these events and speaking a little bit of tactical into them.
Yeah, and again, I think I've told this story many times, right? I gave an event probably in 2015 or 16 where I was talking about our portfolio and doing all these great things, and I went to the car afterwards, and I felt disappointed because the people were getting in the car saying, "Hey, good for them, but we can't do it." Hence my strategy now of only talking about getting to 4, get to 4, get to 4. In fact, Chad Carson, I think his name is, just published a Bigger Pockets book about the mighty investor. And I'm actually quoted in the book talking about getting to 4. So thank you, Coach Carson, for doing that for me. Get the book, Mighty Investor, from Bigger Pockets. But that's what it's about. And then again, at this event, Matt, you or I were at, I mean, I was asked 3 different ways. Could you do it again? And I want to be clear. I could not build the portfolio I have today exactly the same over the next 20 years. It was a unique set of circumstances. But that said, I could build an equally, if not better, portfolio over the next 20 years, knowing what I know now, starting today from 0. And that's what I'm going to talk about on the 13th is like, do this now, do this next. And of course, a lot of it's going to be buy box. A lot of it's going to be what I've repeated. But I got it kind of heated, Matt, in that event when like the 5th person asked me, but how do I do it today? And I'm like, well, here's step 1, get a buy box. Here's step 2, do this. And I'm like, we're going to get this thing recorded. We're going to give it away for free after. And I just need to know, I need people to believe it's possible. Stop. So many people, Matt, want to jump ahead to like my year 22. Folks, you have no right to jump to my year 22. You haven't put in the work yet. Stop it. That's disrespectful.
I mean, they all want the magic pill, the secret ingredient. You give it away all the time. It's do the work, right?
Yeah.
And like I could get passionate about this. Me and you could, do a 10-minute TED talk right now on the spot about it. What you said, I want people to listen to. Like, yes, it can be done again. But if you ask somebody from the 1990s how they built a yogurt shop, and then you ask someone who's opening a yogurt shop in 2023, it's different things, different market, different strategies. Real estate is a business like any other business. Treat it like a business. Do a little bit of market research, do a little bit of inflection on what your goals are, what you're trying to do. And all of it requires work. And that's really like what I think people need to hear. Might not be what they want to hear. They want to, just have a magic course that they buy on Instagram for $3.99 and they're a millionaire when they wake up next week. That's not how it works. You got to do the work. And like, I have personal experience. You do too, Michael. So does Ty. Like, we've seen people buy one rental at a time. I personally know a guy who I talked to last week. I said, man, I don't even know the name of the city in Iowa, but I go, I didn't realize Buckeye or whatever, Iowa was so nice. Single family rentals, one at a time, times 23 over 2014 to 20 when I worked with them. Sold some, refinanced some, now has a hotel that spits off $90,000 a month after all expenses, after the manager's paid. A guy like me and you, nothing special, no. Advanced degrees, knew exactly what he was buying right, was doing the things that you talk about. And like, so he got there in a decade, not by accident, but yeah, him and a partner get to split 90 grand a month in income from, this Best Western. I don't even know what the city is in Iowa, but it's beautiful. I didn't realize how beautiful Iowa was. But there's stories like that everywhere. None of them involve a magic pill. They all involve doing the work.
Do the work. Again, Buy Box will do this. You'll have big moves. We'll talk about 1031 exchange. We'll talk about raising private capital. We'll talk about all these things that you add as increments to the journey. I want people to believe it's absolutely possible. I want people to believe that real estate investing is a skill, not a gift. And when it's a skill, it can be learned. That's the difference, right? We're not all 6'9" and can jump out of the gym, right? Basketball is not our thing, but it's possible. Just believe in yourself, do the work, get committed, become unbalanced for a decade. And it's amazing what will happen. So Amy, we're going to come to you next. You are helping people buy properties in Fresno, California. I would love to get more stories. I need more people reaching out to you because we want to document FHA stories, 203K loans, down payment assistance. Folks, if you want to buy your owner-occupied home in Fresno, I would love for you to work with Amy so we can document the stories. We can turn our entire network to try to help you get it done. I am doing this because I have an office at the Hub, and all I want to do there is document stories. I'm not getting paid for this. I just want to understand your story, help you along the journey. Amy, what's going on in mortgage? If somebody wanted to reach out to you and say, hey, I want to take Michael up on this, how do we get all that started?
Yeah, so you can go to greatmortgagebroker.com, fill out the simple contact form there, and we can get you routed over back to me, or you can shoot me a text or call, give me a call, 559-472-0686.
Very cool. And what else is going on in mortgage you might want to talk about? Maybe give us a word of the day or something. This is totally a surprise out of left field. I didn't prep you for this. So anything you want to just talk about going on in mortgage?
Fresno area specifically, I'm not sure if everybody's aware that we still have down payment assistance funds for first-time home buyers. It's a county program. You can get up to $100,000 of assistance. Of course, it's based on your income. It's geared towards lower income first-time home buyers, but it is available. There's some guidelines that I'm digging into right now, but the funds are available. And I mean, if you can qualify, it acts as a second on your home, but it's like a silent second. There's no interest. There's no payment for 15 years. It's forgivable after 15 years. But it's a great
I want to say that again, because I think we just found the title for this video. You're telling me that in Fresno County, there is still down payment assistance, assuming you meet the criteria. Did you say up to $100,000?
Yes. But here's the thing with that. You have to be in the 80% median income. So the numbers have to work, but those funds are available. Yeah.
All right. We're going to make this the title of the video. I'm going to hope there's dozens of first-time home buyers in Fresno that want to reach out to you. One more time, what's the number to text you? Because hopefully your phone blows up with, I want some of that free money.
Yeah. 559-472-0686.
Very cool. Well, Patrick, you're up next, man. I don't know if you just heard that, but we're going to hopefully get a lot of people started working on some loan products with Amy, but they also need a real estate agent. It'd be great to sort of tag team that together.
Yeah.
What did you know that there was just down payment assistant money available in the Fresno County? I didn't.
Yeah, I mean, I hear it kind of here and there. I don't work with a ton of first-time home buyers, and so
All
you
right.
know, my clients personally know. But I kind of hear it down the grapevine, you know, that's still
Yeah.
out there.
But you're not
So
opposed to working with first-time home buyers. You would love to
no,
get somebody in their first-time home and work with Amy to get something done, I would imagine.
100%. I'm ready to get going. So yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. I think there's something very special about helping first-time home buyers get into a home. Owning
Oh yeah,
assets is the path to wealth. If you can get down
absolutely.
payment assistant, even better. If somebody wanted to reach out to you and get started on that, how would they do that?
Sure, just text me or call me 559-825-7559. That's 825-7559.
And I'm just thinking about this, dude, 100 grand. And again, I don't know the requirements and all of that. That's, folks watching this, reach out to Patrick, reach out to Amy. But dude, you could be shopping in Clovis. Theoretically, you could be shopping in Clovis. This is not, hey, it's the Lowell or it's Fig, it's these other parts. We're talking, you could be buying a Clovis home. You could go into Fig Garden. You can go to the Tower, right?
Absolutely.
Up
Yep.
100 grand
Pick
is
of the
significant
litter.
down.
Absolutely. You got the pick of the litter, you know? And so you just get
Yeah.
out there and start shopping, you know?
For folks, if you're a first-time home buyer in Fresno and you think you might qualify for this, you need to be reaching out to Amy immediately to figure out where the criteria is, and then Amy can plug you into Patrick, and you all should go shopping, frankly, immediately. So Patrick, if somebody wanted to reach out one more time, how would they come to you?
Call or text 559. It's the Fresno area code 559-825-7559.
Awesome. Carlos, man, how you doing? What, you had another project?
Yes, sir. I'm here with another local investor. And actually, not even a local investor, it's a Bay Area investor. And he got this REO property, and we're here fixing it up for him.
Very cool. I see boarded
Yeah.
windows. I see lots of work ahead of you. This is what you do for the one rental at a time community. You've done work, big projects for me. Carlos, people wanted to get a bid or a quote. How are they reaching out to you?
Well, definitely, you can reach out at 559-681-8431. That's 559-681-8431.
Do me a favor if you can, if you have permission from the owner. I'd love a walkthrough of disgusting, ugly properties kind of day one, because you're going to turn them into this beautiful thing. So if you have permission, I'd love to get a walkthrough video. That would be awesome, because I can already see a lot of stuff there. People are going to go, ooh, that's ugly. But folks, that's where the money is.
Yeah.
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 That's
No,
where the money is.
definitely. This
Cool. Awesome. Hey, Elaine, how are you?
I was on mute. Hi, good.
Hi.
I'm good.
Yeah. So what's going on in the insurance market? We have more and more insurance carriers kicking California out. I mean, it just seems like every week, more and more people are giving California investors the Heisman.
Right, they are. I just got off the phone with an underwriter that does our commercial properties with Northfield Insurance, and it's a non-admitted market, but they're the ones that I'm putting your quote through, and they said they have been inundated with a lot of quotes or quote requests.
Yeah.
One thing that's going to be good for your listeners to know is that if you have multiple properties, you want to get an LLC, a corporation, something other than your name, because they are not going to do quotes for a commercial policy for multiple properties. Apparently, every agent like me had the same idea. And so they're now requiring that they have an LLC or a corporation to make it a commercial policy. And they're waiting, period. If you need coverage today, you may have to get coverage in an admitted market and wait for the commercial quote if you have an LLC or S corp or some type of corporation, or even if you have a business license for a sole proprietorship, you just have to have a business license of some kind to get those quotes. So that is new. That has never been required before.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
Again, folks, a lot of stuff. If you are investing in California, insurance is becoming a problem. I've been owning real estate in California for 5 years or so. And most of the time it was just, renew, no problems. Maybe you increase limits or whatnot as property values went up. Not anymore. You need to have some insurance brokers in your Rolodex. You're helping me, Elaine, because I had somebody out of the blue. I had a property, a fourplex for 8-9 years, same firm, no claims, all that good stuff. And they said, sorry, we're not playing in California anymore. We don't like that market, too much risk. And they canceled me. So you're helping me get some insurance. That's happening to lots of folks. If somebody wanted to get your help or get educated on buying in California with insurance, how are they reaching out to you?
They can reach out, text or call at 559-696-9196.
Very, very cool,
That's the
folks. And
best
again,
way.
you're helping dozens and dozens of folks, probably more and more each week from the one rental at a time family. One more time, what's the number?
It's 559-696-9196.
Very, very cool, folks. Anybody have a closing thought? Anybody want to say anything as we wrap up episode number 1? Wrap this up. Anybody want to close? Or are we good to go?
I just got some stuff to say, Mike. Go ahead, Ty. Who's talking, Ty?
Ty, yeah.
Go ahead.
I was just going to say, like, my thought of the week for real estate, and this goes for owner occupied, goes for investors. Not everybody's journey is the same. Like, what so many people pay attention to is like, the market at whole is doing this. Interest rates are doing this. Affordability is this. That means next to nothing for an individual who has individual reasons and goals for purchasing real estate. When you're ready, not the market is ready, that's when real estate gets purchased and you start this journey as a homeowner or an investor. So I encourage people. If it's us, greatmortgagebroker.com. If it's somebody else that you like and trust when it comes to a lender, real estate agent, talk to them and educate yourself. Use free resources, one rental at a time and other things online that are free. And they're going to teach you. You're going to become better, right? Like, so that you on your personal journey decide when's the right time. You're not waiting for the magical time in the market. You're waiting for your specific right time. All right, rant over. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
There you go, Ty.
I just want to remind people that if you're interested in August the 13th, Michael's going to be doing a free webinar, a 2-hour webinar, August the 13th, loaded with lots of great content. Really, and one thing is, and I want to just say this, Michael, I believe you could, in fact, replicate the success and the portfolio you have. However, because it's 2023, you might choose to do something more efficient, something, what's the shortest line, the shortest path from A to B, right, to get financially free. So I think that, for anybody out there that's watching, make it an absolute must. Get yourself to this free webinar. It's August the 13th. Michael is going to give away 2 hours for free.
Yep.
But you've got to register. And that, Michael, there'll be a registration link somewhere in the show notes.
I'll put a link below. I got to tell you, I think this, because I'm only doing this for 500 people. I'm using my personal Zoom license, which caps out at 500. I'm not buying another one. It's $1,000. So I'm just going to do 500 people. So it will sell out, or I don't know, sell out, zero, free. I don't know. It'll be full by the end of the week. I'm convinced.
Yeah. So get yourself there. If you're watching this now, if you like the content that what Michael's doing, one rental at a time, if you're about it, get yourself to this event.
Yeah. And at the end of the day, there's a couple of things. If you're buying in Fresno, California, you need to reach out to Amy immediately. There's a chance that there's some free down payment money. A silent second is amazing. If you want to work with Amy, also work with Patrick to kind of figure out the edges and where your buy box or where you should be shopping. If you're going to be buying a fixer upper, Carlos is the man to work with. And if you've already bought something in California, you need insurance, you need to be working with a broker who knows the market, who personally helps me. And that is Elaine. So folks, that is the hub call for the week. You all are amazing. Keep helping people. Take care. Later.
Bye.